Ever felt like your to-do list is a black hole? You throw tasks in, but they vanish, never to be seen again? Or worse, they resurface at the absolute worst moment, like a zombie task haunting your deadline? Yeah, me too. And that's why we're here. We're diving deep into the world of project management, specifically one tool that promises to bring order to the chaos: Asana. But here's the burning question, the one that's probably got you clicking on this video. Is Asana a paid app? Or can you actually get some serious organization without breaking the bank? Let's be real, we've all been there. You find a shiny new app promising to solve all your problems, only to hit a paywall 5 minutes later. Unlock premium features. It screams just as you're getting hooked. And suddenly, that free trial feels less like a gift and more like a cruel tease. So, before we get lost in the labyrinth of boards, lists, and automations, let's tackle the elephant in the room: the price. Now, Asana. It's not just another to-do list. It's a full-fledged work management platform designed to help teams collaborate, track progress, and, well, get stuff done. But that stuff comes in all shapes and sizes, from simple personal projects to complex enterprise-level workflows. And that's where the pricing gets a little, shall we say, nuanced. See, Asana operates on a freemium model. Think of it like a restaurant menu. You've got the basics, the free appetizers, which are surprisingly filling. Then, you've got the main courses, the premium features, which offer a more robust experience. And finally, you've got the dessert, the enterprise-level offerings, which are basically a gourmet feast. Let's start with those free appetizers. The free version of Asana, called Basic, is surprisingly capable. You can create tasks, projects, and lists. You can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and add comments. It's perfect for individuals or small teams who need a simple way to track their work. You get the essential tools for basic project management, and honestly, for many people, that's enough. But, and there's always a but, the free version has its limitations. You're limited to 15 team members, which might not be a problem for a small startup, but it's a hard stop for a larger team. You also miss out on some of the more advanced features, like timelines, custom fields, and advanced reporting. Think of it this way: the free version is like a bicycle. It'll get you from point A to point B, but it's not going to win you any races. Now, let's talk about the main courses, the paid plans. This is where Asana starts to flex its muscles. The first paid plan is Premium. This is where things get interesting. Premium unlocks features like timelines, which are essential for visualizing project schedules and dependencies. You also get custom fields, which allow you to tailor your projects to your specific needs. And you get advanced search and reporting, which helps you track progress and identify bottlenecks. Premium is like upgrading from a bicycle to a motorcycle. You're still getting from point A to point B, but you're doing it faster, more efficiently, and with a bit more style. It's perfect for teams that need more control over their projects and want to streamline their workflows. Then there's Business. This is where Asana starts to cater to larger teams and organizations. Business unlocks features like portfolios, which allow you to track multiple projects at once. You also get Workload, which helps you manage team capacity and prevent burnout. And you get advanced integrations with other tools, like Salesforce and Adobe Creative Cloud. Business is like upgrading from a motorcycle to a sports car. You're not just getting from point A to point B, you're doing it with precision, power, and a whole lot of customization. It's perfect for teams that need to manage complex projects and want to optimize their workflows. And finally, we have the dessert, the enterprise-level offerings. This is where Asana goes all out. Enterprise unlocks features like custom branding, advanced security controls, and personalized support. It's designed for large organizations that need to manage complex projects and want to ensure data security and compliance. Enterprise is like having a personal chauffeur and a fleet of luxury vehicles at your disposal. You're not just getting from point A to point B, you're doing it with unparalleled comfort, convenience, and control. It's perfect for organizations that need a comprehensive work management solution. Now, let's break down the pricing. Asana's pricing is based on a per-user, per-month model. The free version is, of course, free. Premium starts at a certain price per user per month, billed annually. Business is a little more, and Enterprise is priced based on your specific needs. It's important to note that Asana offers discounts for annual plans and for nonprofit organizations. So, if you're looking to save some money, consider those options. But here's the thing. The price of Asana is an investment. It's an investment in your team's productivity, efficiency, and sanity. Think about how much time and money you're currently wasting on missed deadlines, miscommunication, and disorganized workflows. That's the real cost. Asana helps you eliminate those costs. It helps you streamline your processes, improve collaboration, and ultimately, get more done. And that's worth paying for. So, to answer the original question, is Asana a paid app? Yes and no. It's a freemium app, which means you can use it for free, but you'll get more out of it if you pay. The key is to figure out which version is right for you. If you're an individual or a small team with basic needs, the free version might be enough. But if you're a larger team or an organization with complex workflows, you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan. And honestly, even if you start with the free version, you can always upgrade later. Asana makes it easy to transition from one plan to another. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.